Dude, why do you keep sniffing? What is your deal? What's wrong? What's wrong? Huh? What do you want?
Nobody can sit and watch other people work quite like her, Timmy. I'm so proud.
Lay down. He's not gonna hurt you. Oh, see, that's gonna be bad. Lauren, you're gonna have to keep Q out here with you because she's not gonna want to stay anywhere near.
What's happening, Timmy? Is there a problem? What is it? Timmy Turner can't see Santa Claus. Why not? Because Timmy Turner is on the naughty list.
Here, you wanna lay down?
Well, then maybe he needs a kiss here.
Oh yeah, somebody won't let her have a minute's peace.
How did Timmy? Maybe it has something to do
I
with
know,
the
she
fact that he
can't hold
almost killed
those
his dad.
eyes
Or
open.
the fact that he messed up Christmas with the
Because
first
someone
person
won't
parents
let her
who stole his
sleep.
wishes. Or the fact that he has terrible body odor and cries in his
Hey, Mom?
Oh, wait, that's me.
No big deal.
What?
Is this supposed to be a skunk?
Yes.
Simple. If there's one thing fairies understand, it's simple. Oh, really? Well, it would be simple to turn you into a super skipper. What's going on? I'm not getting any magic reception in my wand.
I got no bars. I had to get out of here. I got people coming over.
Yeah.
Spirit power down. The North Pole's magnetic polarity is rendering your fairy magic useless.
Okay. How do I get my name off the naughty list?
There's only one way. Tell us, Dingle-Dave. I mean, Timmy will do anything. Well, surely you tell me. Yes. Elmer, the Elder Elf. He sees all, he knows all.
Let him
Only
rest.
he has the power to take someone off the naughty list.
Well, easy. I'll just go to this Elmer the Elder Elf's house.